I would like to invite Bhikkhu Bodhi, a prominent Buddhist monk and scholar. He is widely known for his translation and commentaries on major parts of the Pali Canon, which had become an extremely valuable English language resources for Buddhist practitioners. It is my honor to welcome Bhikkhu Bodhi.
Hello, Washington, D.C., and to those throughout America, hello, America, and to those watching this event from other countries, hello, world, and if there's anybody from another world system watching this event, hello, Milky Way. Last 3 months has been one of the most impressive experiences in my life as a Buddhist monk. And I also think that this Walk for Peace is one of the most important events to take place in the United States in the 21st century. And I express my great admiration for the vision of Venerable Panyakara, who initiated the Walk for Peace, and my appreciation and gratitude to all of these monks who have walked for 3 months over 2,300 miles, and the support team that has supported them through this walk. And also for all the thousands and tens of thousands of people along the roads who welcome them. It has shown that no matter what race you might belong to, whatever ethnicity you might come from, whatever religious faith you might adhere to, whatever the color of your skin might be, we all celebrate peace. We all affirm kindness and compassion, and we all want to create a nation and a world which will embody peace, mutual affirmation, and solidarity. Often we think of ourselves as being isolated individuals, looking out at others as being different and alien to ourselves. We see ourselves in a threatening and hostile world in which we have to push ahead to reach the top. But there's another way of looking at human existence, to see ourselves as bound together in an intricate web of mutuality, in which our task in life is to affirm one another, to recognize each other's humanity, to celebrate our humanity, to support each other, and to create a nation and a world in which every human being, every sentient being can flourish to the best of their capacities. And I think that this Walk for Peace has brought forth that vision and has inspired that blossoming flower from the hearts of everybody who has witnessed this walk. And I hope that that spirit of unity, of human solidarity, of mutual affirmation, of love, compassion, and the quest for peace will continue indefinitely into the future. So thank you all for coming out, and thanks to all, again, to all of the Venerable monks who have made that walk and all the support team that supported them throughout this work. May all of the blessings be with you.